Welcome to the ISSA Show North America virtual experience, taking place virtually from anywhere live and on demand November 16th through 19th. This is the first video in the how-to video series, providing you with the necessary steps to take in order to access the ISSA Show North America virtual experience November 16th through 19th, 2020. First, please visit the ISSA Show North America website at issashow.com/register to explore all that the virtual experience has to offer you this November. If you have questions about what your registration type is, please visit issashow.com/register to view all the registration types for the ISSA Show North America virtual experience. As a note, this video does apply to press, speaker, and all access pass exhibitor registrations. Before we begin, it's recommended that you complete your registration on a desktop computer and in Chrome for optimal user experience. Mobile devices are supported but not recommended for this. When you're ready to register for your All Access Pass or Expo Only Pass, from the drop-down menu, under the Register tab, select the type of registration that applies to you. You should see 4 types when hovered: attendee registration, press registration, speaker registration, and exhibitor registration. In this tutorial, we are going to select attendee registration. Then select Register. Once you select the attendee registration button from the ISSA Show North America website, you will be redirected to the welcome page of the attendee registration website hosted by Experian. To ensure the best user experience when registering, we advise all registrants to use Google Chrome when registering for the virtual experience. To begin registering for the virtual experience All Access Pass or Expo Only Pass, please select from the options provided on the screen. For active ISSA and ARCSI members, select the ISSA plus ARCSI attendee button. For active ISSA, ARCSI, and non-members, please select the ISSA plus ARCSI button. For those who are not active members of ISSA, ARCSI, or IEHA, please select this button as it will prompt you to search for your company and, if not found, ask you to start a new registration as a non-member. For active IEHA members, please select the IEHA member button. If you are a returning registrant for the 2020 virtual experience, please select the Already Registered button to upgrade, update, or access your registration information. Once you select the button that applies to you, you will be directed to the first page of the registration process. For all attendees, press, and speakers, if you have any issues with your registration, please contact Registration Customer Service at issa@maritz.com or by phone at 844-383-6809. For exhibitors who purchase the All Access Pass, if you have any issues with your registration, please contact the ISSA Show North America sales team at sales@issashow.com or by phone at 972-819-7601. If you are an active member of ISSA or ARCSI, please insert your company or member ID number in the first field. Once your company name populates in the search results, select your name and continue to the next page. If you are an active member of ISSA or ARCSI and the search is not producing your company's information, please select the Continue as New Registrant to continue. If you aren't a member of ISSA or ARCSI, please start by providing your company's name, postal code, and country of residence to continue. In this tutorial, we will begin by selecting Continue as New Registrant. You then will have the option to register through one of your social media accounts. If you choose not to do this, click Register. In order to get to know you better, we ask that you provide your most up-to-date information and what brings you to the virtual experience this year. Please complete all the required fields on this page in order to proceed. If you are interested in joining ISSA this year as a new member, you can do so by adding a 1-year special introductory membership during your registration. If you aren't quite ready to join ISSA, please feel free to contact the ISSA Membership Services team directly to discuss benefits, pricing, and more at membership@issa.com. Once ready, please select Continue to proceed. To make things easier for you, we have compiled a summary page of all the education sessions that are offered to you this year. You do not need to take any action on this page. It is simply there to inform you of what lies ahead. Now, on to the good stuff. Here's where you select your virtual experience access. Below you will find two options, Expo Only or All Access Pass. For Expo Only, attendees will be able to register for free, but will have certain limitations to the level of access in the virtual experience. The Expo Only passes are great for attendees who wish to only view the virtual exhibit directory listings, participate in live chats, view the product gallery, and schedule appointments with exhibitors and peers. For the All Access Pass, attendees will be able to access the entire virtual experience, not only live, but on demand through March 31st, 2021. The All Access Pass includes full access to over 80 education sessions, the virtual roundtables, and all of the Spotlight speaker sessions. This year, ISSA is bringing the training and certifications to you. Browse the virtual workshop certification course offering that will sharpen your skill set and drive your career forward. Please note, some of the certification workshops occur before the virtual experience, November 16th through 19th. Once you land on the registration review page, you will be asked to review all the information you provided earlier. If all looks good, click Next to finalize your registration or process payment. Following the completion of your registration for the Expo Only or All Access Pass, you should receive a confirmation letter which includes your registrant ID. This registrant ID is required for you to move forward to the next step, which is to create your My Virtual Planner account. If you are an attendee, speaker, or press and have not received your confirmation letter or are having issues logging into your registration account, please contact Registration Customer Service at ISSA@maritz.com or by phone at 844-383-6809. If you are an exhibitor who has purchased the All Access Pass and has not received your confirmation letter or are having issues logging into your registration account, please contact the ISSA Show North America sales team at sales@isssashow.com or by phone at 972-819-7601. When ready, please proceed to the next video in this tutorial, creating your My Virtual Planner and accessing the virtual experience.